Okay, class, did you study for the test? Nagsialisa na yung iba. Nagsialisa, nagbawas na. Oo, natakot. Parifan na lang po yung ticket. Okay, so, please, can you please turn on your camera? Hindi, di tayo nagbibiro dito. Hindi tayo nagbibiruan dito. Mag-up kayo ngayon. Gusto ko na tatlong tatlong volunteers, please. Tatawag talaga ako. Kung sino magre-recite muna. Me, sir. Oo, ito si user. Never mind. Ang haba ng pangalan. Sir, may I go out? No. Bawal. imagine, like, yung mga iba na bagong dating lang. They're gonna see me wearing a suit and I'm getting mad. No. Bawal mag-CR. Sir, recess na. Wala. No. No, bawal. No. Sira yung cam. No. Come here. Sino nagsabi niyan? I will read your username in front of everybody. Papagalitan kita. POV, I am your strict teacher. Ang strict mo naman, sir. So, okay. Meron tayong thesis ngayon. Deadline is in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Start now, please. Start now. Anong klaseng thesis yan? Any topic. First class. Anong trip mo, Kates? Done na po. Ay, grabe naman yan. Sino ka para utusan ako? Wait lang. Ako, patay tayo dito. Recess na po. O sige, recess muna tayo. Geometry. Actually, I'm decent. I like physics. Do you guys like physics? You don't like physics? You guys don't like physics? Okay. Now, I'm just the chill teacher now. No. I'm just the chill teacher now. Chill na lang tayo dito. Sir, I'm not feeling well po. Okay. Sir, 1/4. Kapag humingi kayo sa klase nyo ng 1/4, expelled. Expelled. Boring ang physics. I love physics kasi I get to use physics in Call of Duty. Okay, please submit your assignments right now. Tatawagin ko lang ang aking misis. Excuse me, who said you can stop answering the questions? Please focus on your test. Oh. Who said you can stop? Please stop commenting. Please focus on your assignment. Please focus on your assignment. Please. Oh. Excuse me, why aren't you answering the questions? Diyos ko, mag-recitation na tayo dito. Distracted. Anong distracted? Diyos ko, mag-English class ka. Anong distracted? Distracted. It's distracted. DISTRACTED. Anong distracted? Distracted meaning nasira. There's no question, Sir KD. Gawa kayo ng questions. Kayo din sasagot. Ay, nako. What kind of what kind of class is this? I have no idea what we're doing. History. Nako. Oh, nakamute. Sorry. Sir, nakamute ka. Sorry, I'm 58 years old. I don't know how to use Zoom. Kunwari nasa Zoom meeting tayo. Sir, sino po yung my missus is none of your business. Whoever my missus is none of your business, okay? So please focus on your studies instead of my own personal love life. We want to know. No, it's not. That's not your business. That is none of your business. My personal life is not with your It's not. Kailangan natin ng English class. Wait lang. My business. Nako, English class na lang tayo sa aking actually she will give you English class ang aking misis. Siya yung English class. That's how she answers bashers. English class. She gives them an English class. That's how she answers her bashers.
Sorry, magte-text muna si ma'am. No, repulsive doesn't mean aggressive. Repulsive is like, how do I use the sentence? Alexa farted. Alexa farted. The smell was repulsive. Ugh. There. So, the options are disgusting, B, attractive, C, normal, or D, confused. So, repulsive, A, disgusting, B, attractive, C, normal, or D, confused. All of the above? No, isa lang. So yeah, ang dami. Wow, 102 people sent disgusting. And you're correct. Yes, so it's disgusting. I am repulsed by your actions. Yes. Matulog ka na, mother. O nga, no, magti-12 na. Bakit may pa-exam? Actually, hindi ko rin alam. Kasi tanong kayo ng tanong tungkol sa mga books ko. Tapos, na-realize ko na I need to go back to reading books kasi ako ay nabobobo na. Minsan hindi ko na alam mag-English. Like, I can barely say a full sentence. Sabi nga ng nanay ko, kaka-cellphone mo yan. So, ayun. I feel like I need to pick up this freaking book again. Okay. Ano? Game pa? More pa? Game pa? Gusto nyo ng difficult. Sige. Saan ba dito? Hanap ako. Ayan o, minsan sa taping, dala ko to. Tapos meron siyang pa-games na in no more than 3 minutes, you have to write down as many words as you can that start with the letter D. So, pag taping, yan, nagsasagot akong ganyan. Hala, alam mo ba sa mga flowers ko? Wait lang. Sorry. Importante sa akin ng mga flowers na ito. Na pinapatuyo ko. Okay. Hanap tayo na difficult. They say chivalry's dead, pick up the slack and treat you with respect. And you don't have to love me, love me, love me. Just 'cause I'm a gentleman don't mean I ain't taking you to bed, bed, bed. That's just how to treat a lady, treat a lady. Saan lang ba nasagot ko dito? Treat a lady. Da-da-da-da. Okay. Write in the blank in column B a word starting. Okay, guys. Give me a word starting with the letter P that is the same or approximately the same in meaning as the word I will say. Okay? So I'm gonna give you guys a word and you're gonna have to give me a synonym that starts with a letter P. Okay? Are you ready? Got this? Okay. The word is bucket. Bucket. Give me something that, yes. Pail. Yes. Correct. Wait. A lot of you are spelling pale as P-A-L-E. Pale, P-A-L-E, is namumutla. Maputla. But pale, P-A-I-L, is the bucket. So again, P-A-L-E is I-L. Okay, got it? Okay, next. The word is trouser. What is the letter P equivalent P word for trouser? Pants. Yes, correct. Good job, guys. Okay, that was pretty easy, no? Next is, the word is maybe. Maybe. What is the P? Perhaps? No. Probably. Yes. Probably is correct. Probably. Okay. Number 4. The word is forgive. What is the P word that also means forgive? What is the word? Patawad! Buisit! Tama naman, pero kung Tagalog yun. No, English. Ayan, pardon. Correct. Pardon my manners. Pardon. Yes, correct. Correcta mundo. Ito nga may hindi pa ako nasagot eh. Tulungan nyo nga ako. Hindi ko masagot. Pero mamaya na yung hindi ko nasagutan. Next. The word is likely. Likely. No, not perhaps. No, not possibly. No. Yes, probable. Yes, same ulit. Okay. 7. Number 7. 6 pa lang pala. The word is annoy. Annoy. So, yes, piss. Correct. Correcta mundo. Good job, guys. It is piss. Like, wow, you're really pissing me off, huh? Piss. Not wee piss, ha? But like, piss me off, you know. Okay, this one's really easy. I know you guys can do this. The word is choose. Choose. Pick. Yes, correct. Correct. You're very correct. Okay. Here. The word is sheet. S-H-E-E-T, okay, not S-H-I-T, S-H-E-E-T, sheet. Yes, correct. You guys are so good. Like, you don't even need to be taught. Awesome. You guys are awesome. Awesome. Basic. Basic, diba? Okay. So, do you want more of this P-word column or you want to try a column na opposites naman ang kailangan? Sige, I'll give you a little more. Hold on. Ano pa ba ang hindi ko... Okay, here. The word is go. 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 Proceed, yes. No, wala pa tayo sa opposites. We're still on the letter P. We're still on the letter P. So yes, proceed is correct. Good job. Good job. Good job, guys. Okay. Next, the word. So we're still in the letter P synonym category, okay? So for the new people, I'm giving a word and you're gonna have to give me a synonym that starts with letter P. Or not a synonym, but yeah, a word that sort of means the same thing or at least approximately the same thing. Ma'am, recess na po. Sige, last na. Last na and then class is dismissed. Okay. So, okay, this is easy. The word is good looking. Good looking. Hey, you're really good looking. Pretty, yes, that's you, pretty. Yes, that's it. Okay, thank you guys. I give you 100 over 100. Class dismissed. Thank you so much. Again, the book is called Word Power Made Easy. Makes you think. Really fun. That's just how you treat a lady. Treat a lady. Treat a lady. Treat a lady. Da-da-da-da-da. I can use a coat. So let me be your man. Yay! Congrats, guys. Okay, don't forget to do your homework at sa mga cleaners dyan. Pakiayos lahat ng mga lamesa at ng mga upuan. What about questions you weren't able to answer? The question I wasn't able to answer yet, it's just separate. So the letter P is part, I think. Separate part. Yeah, I think probably. So yes. Yeah, did you have fun? I had fun. It would be easy to study, if it was like this. If you had someone to study with. Would be fun. I guess it would. Okay, guys. Session 1. Math naman, wala akong book tungkol sa math. Kinamumuhian ko ang math. Wala kayong mahahanap na math dito sa bahay. Ma'am, may nagsusuntukan. Uy, naka-experience na akong ganyan. Pero hindi suntukan yung amin sa school. Nagbatuhan sila ng upuan. And your girl was too stunned to speak. Tapos ako yung tumatakbo. Ma'am, nagbatuhan po sila ng upuan. Okay, dahil class dismissed, I think it's time na din for me to dismiss myself. I pack up myself. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you had fun. And it's time for me to remove my makeup. And nakauwi na si KD, so pwede na rin akong magpahinga. Napang kaantok-antok. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Next time ulit, tuloy natin yung ibang pages ng book. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Again, the book is called Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. You can buy this online. I'm pretty sure they have copies sa Orange app. See ya, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, kasi madami pala